So good day. I am going to take the oral recitation of 50 definition of terms regarding the correctional administration. So number one is we have a penology. The penology is that the study of punishment for crimes of criminal offenders. Number two, we have a correction. Correction, that is a branch of criminal justice system that is concerned with the custody, rehabilitation, reformation of criminal offender. Number three is penal management. The penal management is that refers to a manner of managing of jails and prisons. Number four is correctional administration. The correctional administration, that is a study and practice of systematic management of confinements. Number five, we have gaols or jails, that is pre-trial detention, and then the punishment. Next, the punishment is the punishment, that is the redress that takes place within the members of the community and usually involves pain and suffering. And then we have a number number seven, death penalty. The death penalty involves hanging, um, branding, and and any forms of execution. Next is a prison. Number 8 is a prison. A prison, a penitentiary, an institution for imprisonment of persons convicted, usually involves for these persons commits more serious offenses. Next is the prisoners. Number 9, the prisoners is one. Prisoners is a person who is under for the custody of the lawful authority. And then uh, number 10. Number 10 is the detention prisoners. Basically, the detention prisoners is those detained for waiting for investigation. And next is sentence prisoners, for persons sentence imposed sentence. And next is number 12 is prisoners who are in safekeeping, usually involves non-criminal offenders. They are detained um, they are detained for protection of the society. Next is the number 13, the probation. Probation is a disposition of a person after convictions with the supervision of probation officer. Next is the number 14 is parole. Parole is that is the act of suspension of a sentence whereby the convict is served the minimum of his sentence. Next is number 15, the BPP. The BPP is that is the BPP is a quasi judicial body that is created under the pursuant of Republic Act 4103. And in number 16, commutation. Commutation of sentence, basically that is to minimize the sentence from the heavier to a lesser offense. Next is reprieve. Reprieve is a temporary stay of the execution of the offense. Next is pardon. Pardon, that is the acts of grace that is extended towards those persons convicted, and that is the act of grace, or as a privilege, as a matter of privilege. Next is conditional pardon, that is the person released with the condition attached. And next is conditional pardon is a person is really absolute pardon. Absolute pardon is a person is released without a certain conditions. Next is borstal institution, that is a institution institution for a young offenders. And then number 22, commitment order. Commitment order is an out of sending of person by means of such warrant. Next, number 23, that is the death row. The death row is that refers to incarcerated individuals refers to those incarcerated individuals awaiting for the execution, usually those persons who are in a death penalty. Sa nakadistract ko. Ay. Francisco eh. Okay. As a continuation, so number 24. So we have a nawala na ako. So, number 24. For 24, that is a jail. That a jail is a confinement of police persons awaiting for an investigation. So number 25, we have a lex talionis, that is an eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. So next, mitimus. So mitimus, that is an warrant issued for a person, issued by the court to send a particular person to a sentence, send to a person to send to a prison for a serving of its sentence. Next is we have a rehabilitation. Rehabilitation, that is a justification of penalty, whereby the purpose of it is to restore the useful life of a person. And then number 28, we have a reformation. Again, that is also a justification penalty, whereby a person is subjected to a reform of its behavior. Next is the retribution, the act of vengeance of wrong or criminal act. Next is number 30. Number 30 is the amnesty. Amnesty, also the act of grace of the president for these persons convicted for political crimes. Next is number 31, bail. That is security given or monetary reward imposed to a person for a temporary release. Next is conviction. Conviction, that is a judgment based on a final verdict. Next is custody. Custody is the guarding penal safekeeping. Number 33, institutional corrections refers to institutional correction refers to those facilities, institutional facilities such as UIG, penal farm, Davao penal farm, and the like. Next is chapter 7. We have incapacitation. The incapacitation is the term imprisonment. Next is banishment. Banishment is putting away a criminal offender, usually carried out by a prohibition. Number 39, that is a fine. A fine is that is an amount is given for compensation of wrong or criminal act. Next is number 40, distierro. The distierro, that is a prohibition of a person to enter the 25-kilometer radius and not exceeding 250 km. Next, number 41, protection. That is placing offenders in prison. Number 42, sentence, penalty imposed by the court. 43, community-based correction, that is non-institutional corrections as a means or alternative means of imprisonment. Next is non-institutional correction. And this institutional correction, that is correction that takes place within the community. Next is boards and pardons and parole. That is a board that has the authority to grant pardon. Number 45, executive clemency. The executive clemency, it refers to the power of the president to grant pardon, amnesty, commutation, reprieve. And next is we have a number 46, that is number 46, probationer. Probationer, that is a person who placed in probation. The probation officer, that is who investigates the court's referral for probation. And petitioner, that is an individual who files a formal application for probation. And next, 49, that is the law. 49, the law. 49, the law, that is the rule of conduct which are obligatory to follow. Number 50 is trial by ordeal. The trial by ordeal is that is the oldest form of conviction, or ancient form of conviction.